Today I'm going to discuss how to use Kratos SpectralNet product as a front-end digitizer for creating a digital IFL or DFL for satellite antenna feeds, and the benefits of working in a DFL environment. SpectralNet can also be used for RF over IP transport, which is explained in a separate Lightboard video available at kratosdefense.com/SpectralNet. One of the benefits of using SpectralNet as a front-end digitizer is it enables your RF to be transported and processed in the digital domain. When SpectralNet is connected to your antenna system, it takes the RF spectrum coming in from the satellite and digitizes that spectrum and creates network packets. These network packets follow the IEEE V249 protocol. SpectralNet can also output these packets in the widely adopted Digital Intermediate Frequency Interoperability, or DIFI, industry standard format for reliable transport over any network. Once you digitize your RF on the network, you can then process that information virtually in a public or private cloud environment that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Now let's take a look at how operating in a DFL environment changes the gateway. Typically at a gateway, you'll find racks of analog hardware that are static and fixed for single purpose or missions. This equipment requires a lot of space, power, cooling, spares, and technical personnel to maintain. While on the other hand, when we're in the digital domain, we can leverage virtual signal processing on smaller footprint general purpose compute. This means we no longer need the racks of vendor-specific hardware that require all those costly resources. In addition to creating a more efficient physical operating environment, the digital domain also provides the flexibility of a software-defined network to meet changing demand on the fly. You can spin up or spin down software modems and redirect capacity as needed, and also implement additional workloads and value-added applications that perform tasks such as modulation and demodulation of signals, signal monitoring and analysis, or network functions, including network acceleration, routing, and encryption or other security applications. And because all of these applications are running as software in a virtual environment on general purpose compute, maintenance is easier, happening with simple software updates, and dynamic operations can be achieved through orchestration and automation of these functions. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, please visit kratosdefense.com/SpectralNet.